precinct. And they are made up of Dr. Samuel Ogoma Amakri, Managing Director, Dr. Augusta Ayutamano, Engineer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this inauguration is of special importance because it touches directly on the health, dignity, and image of our dear state. Let me repeat it for emphasis, that this inauguration is special because it touches directly on the health, dignity, and image of our dear state. We are not at war. There's no crisis in Rivers State. The management of waste is not a cosmetic issue. It is a matter of public safety, environmental protection, and urban renewal. We're all aware that our dear state, Rivers State, and when I say Rivers State, I mean every city and community is currently facing a waste management emergency. Our streets, markets, and neighborhoods have been overwhelmed by refuse. Indiscriminate dumping of waste has become a menace, threatening not only the beauty of our environment, but also the health and well-being of our people. This is not acceptable, and we must do all to end it. The task before this board is therefore urgent and onerous, enormous. You must lead the charge to rid our cities and communities of filth. This is not just about clearing waste. It is about instituting a system of efficiency, discipline, and sustainability in waste management. Let me emphasize again that this government has already taken decisive steps to support your work. We have ordered modern equipment for waste collection, transportation, and landfill management. Access roads to dump sites are being constructed to ensure smooth and efficient evacuation of refuse. These investments demonstrate our seriousness, but their effectiveness will depend on your commitment and capacity to deliver. Beyond collection and disposal, we must begin to harness the energy potentials of waste. Around the world, waste is being transformed into power, fertilizer, and raw materials for industry. Our state cannot be left behind. I expect this board to explore partnerships, innovations, and technologies that will convert our waste from nuisance into an asset for sustainable development. Discipline and enforcement must also be restored. Dumping refuse indiscriminately on the streets, drains, and public spaces is a crime against ourselves and our future. This board must work closely with relevant agencies to enforce sanitation laws and educate the public. Cleanliness should become a shared responsibility of government and citizens alike. Distinguished Chairman and members of REWAMA, you have been called to serve at a time when the people of Rivers State are yearning for a cleaner, healthier, and more dignified environment. The responsibility is huge, but the reward of success will be greater. The responsibility, I repeat, is huge, but the reward of success is greater. A state where our children can grow in safety, where our cities can attract investment, and where our communities can thrive. On behalf of government and people of Rivers State, I want to congratulate you on your appointment and charge you to work with integrity, diligence, and urgency. Rivers State must be rid of refuse, and together we shall make the state a model of environmental renewal. Thank you, and God bless Rivers State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.